everybody, this is Gladys from Ivey and Homestead. This is my mom. Hi. Rosalinda. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and mom's gonna, she's pumped up and she's ready to burn some steam. She's tired of being inside, not doing anything. So I'm gonna put her to work. We have a bunch of pallets here that we're just gonna break down and get them ready for our next project, which will be the dining room wall. The dining room wall is going to be about half a wall of pallet, and the other half is going to be that little metal. I cannot tell you what it's called because Anson knows the name for it. But that wavy metal thing, the one that you put on top of the roof, that thing. That's what we're going to go ahead and put on the bottom half of that dining room wall, so that we can put like a little chair row thing going on, because the wall, it's white or kind of like a gray. And every time Anson bumps the chair back there, he's scraping off the paint. And we have noticed that we have wallpaper back there from the previous owners. It's kind of a funky looking green with gold, as you can tell. So it's probably like from the 80s, 90s maybe? I'm not even sure. But we are pumped to do this project. So catch us here. This Bruno, everybody. He likes getting in the way of everything, so he's going to get started as soon as mom turns it on. Button's right here. You're going to press the button down, and then you're going to push, okay? And then you want to align. Yep, like this. You're going to push down, right here. Okay, and then you're going to press right there. Alright? And try to stay as close as possible. This is kind of like your marker right here, where the line is going to be.
Alright, y'all. So there was Gladys helping out her mother, teaching her how to use the circular saw and how to cut up boards and some of the pallets that we have for some future projects. So like she said, we are going to be doing the dining room wall. That's after we're done with the entertainment wall center thing in the living room. So as you can see, I still got the shelf. I still have to finish the brackets, forging those out. But we're almost at 500, y'all. So I'm doing a giveaway. Okay, so I've actually focused a little more on that, getting some tools and stuff knocked out I've been making tongs that I need to be able to hold the stock. I'm still working on this one. This one's going to be a little more bent to where I can hold on to the eye of the tomahawk. So, okay, so these projects are going to get finished. Just I've kind of shifted more towards something else. Okay, and we definitely thank you for all the support and following along with Gladys with her, I guess, debut video. While she helps out her mom process some stuff for this upcoming project. And if you don't mind, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're on all those things. I'll put the links to those down in the description, along with our PayPal if you want to help out with any type of donations. It's always greatly appreciated, but not a requirement. And hit that bell for notifications. All right? Thanks, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.
You showed everyone your butt.
Sorry.
Don't worry, Anson will edit the stuff and he'll